Hey everybody, here's a really quick video tutorial on how to take a iPhone 12 Pro Max and put it into a Otter Box case and take it out of an Otter Box case. I know it sounds kind of silly, but I had to look it up, so I figured if I needed to look it up, somebody else probably would want to know how to do it too. So anyway, the Otter Box is a really good, safe box case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I love it. It's got a little clip on so you can look really geeky, like my, I can do this, like right next to my, so it's awesome like that. You can turn on the flashlight and then clip it on here like this. It's very pro, right? Just kidding. Okay, so anyway, this is also a very, that's the hazard light right there. It's got 3 settings for super awesome ultimate brightness right now, which is what it's on. And then that's warning, help, I'm in trouble, I've fallen, I can't get up. It's like the clapper, it's actually on a sensor, or it's like a metronome. You can use it for, it's very multi-purpose, this thing right here. I got this free, I think, from a Car and Driver subscription, so if you like cars, you might want to get a Car and Driver subscription and see if he still has a special offer for this awesome flashlight, which goes on to these cool. I think it works better. Personal recommendation: it works better on flat build hats. Anyway, back to the Otter. The Otter is cool too. It's padded on the inside. It's very, very strong. I've seen videos of people dropping it from cranes and helicopters with their phones in it from like 200, 500 feet onto pavement, and the phone's fine. I personally haven't tested that, but I believe it's possible. So anyway, to get the phone into the case, you take the rubber outer shell off like this. Then there's a few little places where the frame is held together from the top and the bottom, and you just undo them like that. You take your phone and you lay it in there. You put the top back onto it until you hear it snap. There we go. It's in. Then you just put it back into the rubber shell. It's back in the rubber casing. And there you go. It's ready to go. Pretty cool. Form fitting. Very strong. All the buttons work. Snaps into this carrying case, which is kind of geeky, but it's also pretty utilitarian too. It does come off, so if you don't like it, you can take it off. I'm not exactly sure how, but it also anyway, that's it for today. That's the Otter Box for the iPhone